Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Lutfiyah Farah Fadiyah from Department of Nutrition, Binawan University. In this video, I would like to talk about global warming. First, we're gonna talk about the definition of global warming. What is global warming? Global warming is the increased concentration of carbon dioxide and other gases, or what is commonly called greenhouse gases, in the Earth's atmosphere that makes the Earth's atmosphere retain more heat from the sun. This leads to an increase in the Earth's temperature, resulting in global warming. So, what causes global warming? When greenhouse gas emissions envelop the Earth, the sun's heat is trapped. This leads to global warming and climate change. The world is now heating up faster than at any time in recorded history. In addition to carbon dioxide, the one that plays the most role in causing global warming is methane. The presence of methane gas comes from bacteria that lack oxygen to break down organic materials. In addition, there is also excessive fertilization. What are the effects of global warming? Global warming will increase temperatures on the Earth's surface, trigger droughts, and trigger forest fires. This will cause smoke, which is very dangerous for health, even death. Rising temperatures in the air and in the sea will cause the ice at the Earth's poles to melt. The melting of these ices will increase the volume of seawater. Global warming will create the temperature and acidity of seawater. These two things will make coral reefs experience bleaching and over time will be damaged, even lost. The destruction of coral reefs will make marine ecosystems unbalanced and marine flora and fauna will die. And the other effects of global warming is rising temperatures can result in a decrease in the immune system of living things. As a result, living things, including humans, are susceptible to disease. So, what should we do to overcome global warming? The effort we can make to overcome global warming is implement the Go Green movement. The Go Green movement is carried out by many ways, such as, first, planting trees. By planting trees, we can reduce carbon dioxide emissions and can increase oxygen emissions so that the environment becomes healthier and more comfortable. Replanting can increase the ecology of the area, which can reduce the heat in the area. Second, reduce the use of plastic waste. People's lives that tend to litter cause adverse impacts on the environment. Therefore, there must be awareness to reduce the use of plastic and replace it with more environmentally friendly materials. This must also be considered by the industry to make environmentally friendly products and reduce the use of plastic. Third, dispose the waste in its place. If the habit of littering is still allowed, it will cause environmental damage and global warming will continue to increase. So our daily activities will also be disturbed by an unhealthy environment. Fourth, recycling waste. This can educate the public to make waste as something useful and increase public awareness in maintaining environmental sustainability as an effort to reduce the impact of global warming. The other way is using electronic equipment in moderation. The use of electronic devices can increase carbon emissions in the atmosphere, causing the ozone layer to thin out. If left unchecked, this will be dangerous for life. Therefore, everyone's awareness is needed to minimize the use of electronic devices in their daily lives as an effort to reduce the impact of global warming. And the last is using environmentally friendly transportation. The use of fossil fuel transportation such as motorbikes, cars, buses, and trucks causes more carbon dioxide emissions in the air and can cause the quality of life to be unhealthy. However, we can minimize its use by using environmentally friendly transportation like bicycles or using public transportation instead of our own transportation to reduce carbon dioxide emissions. I think that's all from me. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.